Ignite your business with AI. 3 smart strategies to stay ahead without breaking the bank. Imagine this. You're an entrepreneur navigating a world where innovation moves faster than a rocket ship. Your competitors are experimenting with artificial intelligence, AI, and you're starting to feel the pressure to keep up. But here's the catch. Budgets are tight, costs are climbing, and diving into pricey tech projects feels like a gamble you can't afford. Sound familiar? Don't worry, because AI doesn't have to be a $1 million leap. It's time to switch on the turbo with smart, affordable innovation. And I'm here to show you how. Let's talk about the AI revolution. It's more accessible than you think. Let's clear the air. AI isn't just the shiny new toy everyone's buzzing about. It's been around for ages, quietly working behind the scenes whenever a system makes a decision based on data. What's new and what's driving the hype is generative AI. Think ChatGPT or tools that churn out creative content in seconds. But here's the kicker. AI isn't reserved for tech giants with deep pockets anymore. Across Europe alone, over 7,000 AI startups are offering plug-and-play solutions that can transform your business without draining your bank account. From marketing to logistics, product development to sales, AI is a game changer in every corner of your operations. Ignore it, and you risk falling behind, but adopt it the smart way, and you'll be the one setting the pace. So how do you get started when budgets are tight and economic stagnation feels like a brick wall? The dilemma: innovate or stagnate? Here's the harsh reality many businesses face today. The pressure to invest in AI is real, but so are the financial constraints. Rising costs, shrinking budgets for innovation, and a sluggish economy can make even the boldest entrepreneur hesitate. But here's the good news. You don't need a blockbuster budget to make AI work for you. The secret lies in smart innovation, a mindset that lets you harness AI's power even with limited resources. Forget the days of million-dollar projects and endless R&D cycles. Today, many AI startups offer cost-effective solutions through software as a service, SaaS, or AI as a service, AIaaS models. Want to dip your toes in without diving headfirst? These platforms let you do just that, offering affordable, scalable tools that deliver results fast. Now, I will show you the 3 winning strategies to bring AI into your business. The best innovations often come from outside your company. Think scrappy startups tinkering in garages or co-working spaces. Your job? Tap into that energy and bring it into your fold. Here are 3 proven strategies for making it happen, even on a shoestring budget. Partner, build, and invest. 1. Partner. Team up for quick wins. Why reinvent the wheel when someone's already built a sleek new model? Partnering with AI startups is the fastest way to get started. In most cases, this looks like a simple supplier-customer relationship. You pick an AI solution, plug it into your business, and start seeing results. Some companies take it a step further with joint pilot projects or what's known as venture clienting, a fancy term for low-risk collaborations that can yield big rewards. Take a page from the playbooks of giants like Google, Bosch, or the Otto Group. They've set up dedicated teams to scout and work with startups, integrating cutting-edge tech without breaking a sweat. And here's the best part. These partnerships often require little upfront investment and can be up and running in days. All you need is a central point of contact in your company to keep things humming along smoothly. 2. Build. Create your solutions. Lean and mean. If you're the hands-on type, the build approach might be your jam. This isn't about throwing millions at a sprawling innovation lab. It's about using the lean startup method to develop your AI solutions quickly and efficiently. Focus on a rapid proof of concept, test it in the real world, and iterate fast. The Fairman Group, a specialist in coding technologies, nailed this approach by spinning off an independent AI company that operates outside its core business. There are no bloated budgets or endless timelines, just a lean operation that delivers. Want to make it even easier? Tap into shared resources like startup hubs or venture building infrastructures to keep costs down and speed things up. 3. Invest. Put your money where the future is. If you've got a bit more wiggle room or ambition, the invest strategy, also known as corporate venture capital, can open doors to cutting-edge tech and expertise. By investing directly in AI startups, you gain access to their innovations, know-how, and business potential. Plus, since it's an investment, it doesn't hit your operational budget like internal projects. Start small with a minority stake and scale up if the startup takes off. Worried about the risks? You can play it smart by investing indirectly through specialized venture capital funds, which give you diversification and access to networks without the heavy lifting. For family-owned businesses, owners can even step in to fund these investments directly. And the magic happens. When you mix and match. Here's the real secret. These strategies aren't meant to stand alone. The biggest wins come from combining partner, build, and invest to suit your unique goals. Partner with a startup to test a solution, build a lean internal project to tackle a specific challenge, and invest in a promising AI company to secure long-term growth. When synced up, these approaches create synergies, minimize risks, and unleash maximum innovation, all without needing a dedicated department or a Fortune 500 budget. Why wait? The future is now. AI isn't just a shiny opportunity. It's the key to staying competitive in a world that's changing faster than ever. Whether you're in marketing, production, or product development, there's an AI solution out there with your name on it. And no, you don't need to bet on the farm to make it happen. Smart innovation is about working with what you've got and turning constraints into creativity. So, what's your next move? If you're ready to explore how AI can make your business more efficient and future-proof, the AI experts at NUCIDA are standing by to help. They specialize in crafting tailored AI solutions that fit your needs. No cookie-cutter nonsense here. Drop them a line, and let's get that turbo engine roaring. So, what's the conclusion? In conclusion, adopting AI doesn't have to be a daunting or expensive endeavor for businesses, even in challenging economic climates. By embracing smart innovation through the partner, build, and invest strategies, entrepreneurs can tap into AI's transformative potential without straining their budgets. Combining these approaches, collaborating with startups, developing lean internal solutions, and strategically investing in AI ventures enables companies to innovate efficiently, minimize risks, and maximize impact. The future belongs to those who act wisely and swiftly, and with accessible tools and expert guidance like that from NUCIDA, any business can harness AI to stay competitive and thrive in an ever-evolving landscape. The time to ignite your business with AI is now.